mga ka-blower, and welcome to another video of the PVZBloverFan. And yes, I finally have a new fan. It's a Firefly multifunction rechargeable fan. What is this for? Well, to be honest with you, I think this fan will be used for someone who's doing the laundry in my backyard because there's no power. Anyway, let's go to the unboxing. There's no seal or tape right here. The box parts. Let's get this party started. Yes, I finally have a new fan as a birthday gift. And ooh, styrofoam. And here's the fun part. Oh yes, oh yes. There it is. Man, I'm not kidding. This Firefly rechargeable fan is more better than Razer 2875's Firefly fan that yesterday. So here's the socket here, the plate cap, start up the charger. So you have to send this up camera, and it has the remote control. Yes, this is a remote control. Nice. And there is the fan itself right there. Let me get this straight here. Oh dear. It's very hard to grab this one-handed. Come on. That's not good. Almost break my headphones right here, but they're not. The motor. Here's the motor. And the shafting is similar to that one in traditional AC powered fans, but you're not. And the span pipe. You should be careful this again. I have to put the camera down. I'll go to that. Break the down. Oh, from behind. All my headphones are broken. It's a bit of stuff right here. And voila! The body. So, there you go, mga ka-blower. So, let's speed things up. Final product, mga ka-blower, and it's beautiful. Look, I even have it a remote control so I can turn this fan on. Wow, this thing is powerful when it's P24, like the super expensive Asahi DC6072. Wow. Except this is even more powerful even with those skinny ass fan blades. My goodness. I could use this as an emergency fan when the power is out already. So, thank you for watching this video, and I hope you will see you next time. Goodbye for now.